Hello beauty lovers, welcome to my channel Glow Up with Ify. Today we'll be making an autogele for a baby girl. Yes, actually I have already sewn it together, but I just remember that somebody somewhere might want to learn how to make the autogele. So here, this is an ashoke, and here is in 3 layers. I've already done the pleats. I did 4 pleats. So the length of this is 19 inches each. So I had to cut it into 3. So when you are cutting, you cut 3 of 19 inches. And don't forget, it's for a baby. Okay, so that is why the measurement is small. So it's for a baby girl. So after that, there is another one. You have another one. This is 21 inches length. Okay, so we are going to be using it for just little pleats on the base. Okay, so because that is where the fan style will be on. So with this one, we just need just one of it because it's a child. Then the next one, this is very long. We have 41 inches length. 41 inches. So we are using it for the fan. Yes, that will be on the base. So we are using it for the fan, and it's 41 inches length. Okay, and we have this is for the handle. It's 10 inches. I had to manage the ashoke. It's not much, so I had to make use of what is available. Then this one is 5.5 inches. Is for the you have 2 of it, so we are going to also be using this one on the base. So it's 5 inches for this, for the velcro. Use it to wrap it up and sew. So this is all what you'll be needing to make the autogele. So let's get started. I've already done the pleating like I said earlier, so I'm going to be sewing that 20 inches on the base. So I'm going to show you how it will look like. So now I've already sewn the velcro to the base. So as you can see, I sewed it and joined it to the base. Yes, this is the other side. So here, this is my small doll head. So I'm going to place it on the doll for you to see. Then you first of all get the middle of the base, then you place it on the doll's head. Please don't look at this, my doll. My children have designed the face of the doll, but let us just concentrate on what we are learning. Okay, so we'll place it on the doll's head, and here we are. So this is how it will look like. See, it's very nice. The beauty is coming out. So after which, I'll go to my sewing machine and sew this on the base. So this is how I'm going to be sewing it. You're not going to be sewing it straight. It's going to have like a curve. Okay, so you also get the middle, then you place it on the base too. You place it on the middle. So this is how you are going to place it on it, and you sew. You see, you sew. So it's like a little bit curvy. So you sew till you get to the beginning of the ear of the doll. Don't sew it down to the back. So when you sew, just sew from there to the beginning of the ear of the doll. That is where you stop. You sew it. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine to sew, then I will come back and show you how it looks like. So I've already done that, as you can see. Yeah, so I want to make few pleats. It might be maybe 3-4 pleats. You can just add little pleats, either 3-4 pleats. So this is how you do it. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and also comment. Okay, so you continue with the pleats, just 3-4 pleats. It's okay because it's for a little girl. Okay, so the measurement we use here is for a little girl, not for an adult. Please, if you want me to show you the one for an adult, kindly comment in the comment section, so I'll be able to make a video on that too. So this is how it will be looking like after you might have finished with the pleats. Okay, so you have to take your time to do it. So now this is where we have to do the pleats. So when you are making your pleats, make sure it's not straight. Let it be slanted. Yes, that is when you get that fan design. Okay, so make it slant. As you are picking the pleats, make it slant. So this is what you'll be doing through until you get to the end of the fabric. And you can make use of your pin. Actually, I don't have pin here when I was making the video, so that was why I was trying to use my hand to guide it. But you just have to make use of the pin, or you take it to the machine and just sew just the down, just to hold it so that it will not lose. So okay, so this is where the work is. Here you have to take your time to arrange the plate very well. And again, you'll be making use of your needle and thread. Make sure the thread you are using is the same color with the fabric. Okay, so you get the middle, the pleat. So here we are putting it on the base. So you first of all get the middle parts so that it will be accurate. So here you don't need to rush, you have to take your time, because you have to be using your needle and thread, and make sure the thread you are using matches the color of the material. Okay, so that it will not show. So this is what you will be doing. You'll be tacking it, then arranging it, tack and arrange, tack, arrange.